Missy is the caretaker of this hostel. She's super sweet. This is the dining area, a hiker box table, some numbers for shuttles if you need them. And here is the kitchen. So you can put some stuff in the fridge. You can pay for breakfast, which is pancakes, or dinner, which is frozen pizza, but you can also like prepare your own stuff in here. And there's also sometimes banquets, events that have happened that there's extra food and that comes in, and hikers are just allowed to eat that as well. There's a lot of space here. So we spent a lot of time in this room. And here's a living room. There's movies, there's games and books. This is one of the private rooms you could get, but it is cots. But if you wanted to be all by yourself, you can come in here. Giant box of loaner clothes. And there are 2 bathrooms downstairs, so there's one here. And it's typical hostel, I think, accommodations. There's a computer here. So I was able to print out a label so I could ship stuff back home to my husband that I didn't need. The second bathroom here, just like the first one. And then there's dorms downstairs and upstairs. I think there's 14 bunks, and some people did not strip their beds. Rude. Oh my goodness, rude. Let's look at the difference upstairs where all the ladies stayed last night. And when some gentlemen showed up last night, I told them that the upstairs was the quiet room. I was really just joking, and he thought I worked here, and they all slept downstairs. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So room for 28 plus a couple private rooms. And I don't know what's up there. I did not look. And there's another sitting area with some history on the walls. Look at those windows. So big. Oh, yes. This is the private suite you want to have. Look at that. Oh, what absolute luxury. Oh, can take a bath. Very nice. Super nice. All right, so that is the interior of the Ironmaster's mansion hostel, which I think for $25 a night for a bunk is pretty fair deal. Everyone here has been pretty cool, and it's just a beautiful area. All right, I have a couple more hours of waiting for my package to arrive. I know it's out for delivery, so that means it's on the truck and it's coming today. And then my plan is to hike 7.3 miles to the next hostel. No, not hostel, to the next shelter. It's a big fireplace.
For the third and final day, I have a bunless burger from the general store next door, loaded with all the things that don't inflame my body. Thank you so much, Nicole. I get on my new Hoka speed goats, load up my resupply, and I head out to leave the beautiful Pine Grove Furnace State Park.
Oh, they can't see without their glasses.